Stop doing boring ads. Do engaging content instead. Here's how. Digital marketing can be a game changer. But where do you start? First, know your audience. Define who they are, what they like, and where they hang out online. Next, create content that speaks to them. Use videos, blogs, social media posts, whatever works best for your brand. And remember, consistency is key. Social media is your best friend. Engage with followers, respond to comments, and join conversations. It's all about building relationships. Don't forget about SEO. Optimize your website and content to rank higher on search engines. This means using the right keywords and meta tags. Finally, analyze your results. Use tools like Google Analytics to see what's working. Adjust your strategy based on data. There you have it. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see results. Unlock your digital marketing potential today. You've got this.